Backdrop.com. We're at the Travel and Wedding Expo in Vancouver, BC. I don't know why Costco's here. We'll figure that out later. We're going to go talk to some entrepreneurs. We're going to go talk to them and see why they're here. I got a couple of wicked pro tips for you, some hacks on how to save money, how to look good, and how to just crush at your next trade show or first trade show. Come with me. Pro tip, get a backdrop. No disrespect. How would I know that? We sponsor one for them. What do you guys think? We sponsor one? Yo, if I sponsor, I'm coming to the wedding, yeah? Just behind me, there's an obscenely large backdrop. Let me walk you through why this is not a good idea. That's fucked up. Because that guy now has his booth looking all weird and dodgy because those guys wanted to get an extra 2 feet on their display at the top. Not nice. We are here with Tamar with Spa Utopia Vancouver. What is the one trade show exhibitor tip you would have for any first-time entrepreneur exhibitor?
To just be hands-on with people. Don't sit behind the desk. Be hands-on and show them what spa or your business really offers.
Behind me is probably one of the relics of the trade show industry. It's a panel system with a Velcro adhesive. So basically, instead of having your graphic actually printed as like the backdrop, they actually use a Velcro system and just stick it on there. A heavier, older system, but at the same time does allow you to interchange graphics a lot easier and faster. So give me your 30-second or 10-second elevator pitch. What does Totin' It mean?
Totin' It is a brand. It's brand name. It's a noun. It's a verb. When you're traveling, you're toting it with our product. You're protected with RFID technology, so people can't skim your credit card.
What's the one piece of advice you'd give anyone that's doing a trade show for the first time?
Be prepared, set up, have fun, cater to the consumers. Thanks, man. Appreciate you.
Steve Ratt here with freshprep.ca. What are these folks doing at a wedding and travel show, first of all?
It's not awkward at all because every single person actually eats food.
That's a true story. Humans do eat food.
We're actually introducing the brand to the customers. We're turning them into loyal customers because that's exactly the deal helping us. You literally can try it for the fraction of price of $10.
Right. She's still pitching me. Like I'm in the middle of a interview and she's still trying to close a deal right now. Like this is like live closing and like witness the closing, ladies and gentlemen. Let me show you how not to exhibit, okay? If you look at this backdrop, what do you see? Wrinkles. It's not a budget thing. Print your custom brand on a banner that you're gonna hang anyway. It's still gonna be $300 on the cheap side. For $700, $600 total, you can get a backdrop with a frame that's like high resolution, taut fabric. If you're gonna do this, you better bring a steam iron. What is it that you're hoping to achieve here?
You know what? I'm hoping that I can get someone's dream come true, basically as a destination wedding, maybe their dream honeymoon.
You're a what?
I am a travel agent,
okay.
but
no disrespect. How would I know that?
PG Travel.
Okay.
I have my own company, so it's Giselle Alvaro by PG Travel.
Let me give you two huge misses here at this particular booth. They didn't cover the concrete. Very important to know and realize when you come to a trade show, the only thing that they actually do give you is the concrete. Secondly, an absolute miss if you are not putting your product or service as clearly as possible. You have 3 seconds for people to walk by your booth, and they have to interpret within seconds exactly what it is that you do. The floor that you mentioned. What's the one biggest tip you would give to a new company coming to a show?
So I'd say be yourself, don't try to be someone else. So everyone has unique identity, and every time human beings fail in business, it's because they want to be someone else. They want to be their competitors. They want to be better than their competitors. If you are yourself, legitimate yourself, people feel the energy, and that's the key of success.
It's obvious your passion is very evident in your business. I appreciate you making time for us.
Thanks so much, brother.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate you. Okay.